Hey folks, this is Ashiq Ummathoor. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a Kubernetes cluster by using Microk8s. So I would say this is the most easiest way to create a Kubernetes cluster instead of creating EKs, AKs, GKE or QAdmin or any other tool. So a few simple steps I'll be instructing you today how to do this. So let's get started without wasting our time. So first we have to create three virtual machines. Here I'm creating three virtual machines for high availability Kubernetes cluster. So we will have three masters and minimum quorum 2. Okay, so let's go to instance. Okay, now you can see that all my virtual machines are up and running, and you can see the status running, right? So now we have to install Microk8s. So we have to install Microk8s in each machine. So first we can connect virtual machine 1. Let's connect this machine 1. Okay, I have connected my virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, virtual machine 3. So as of now, this is a dummy instance. We don't have any configuration or any installation packages. So we have to start from scratch. Microk8s we can install by using multiple methods. We can install by using apt repository. We can use mrepo. So here what I'm going to do, I'll try to install snapd repository. So from snapd repository, I'll install Microk8s. So what we have to do first? So first we have to connect the first virtual machine. Then we will install snapd first. Let's copy and paste this command, sudo apt update and sudo apt install snapd. So let's execute the same command in virtual machine 2 and virtual machine 3. Hey, now you can see that all my virtual machine installed snapd. So now we have to install Microk8s. To install Microk8s, we can use this command. Snap install Microk8s -- classic -- channel equal to 30 1.30 stable. Hit enter. So now it is installing Microk8s in virtual machine 1. Let's replicate to virtual machine 2 and 3. Okay, cool. Now you can see that virtual machine 1 Microk8 is installed, 2 and 3 both are installed, right? Now we have to add on the plugins. For example, if you want a Kubernetes dashboard, ingress, DNS, all you can add add-ons. So I'll just paste this command, Microk8s enable DNS, dashboard, storage, ingress. Enter. Let's replicate to the virtual machine 2 and 3. Awesome guys, you can see that ingress is enabled virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, virtual machine 3. So now let's join this in a single node or individual node into a cluster. For that we have to execute this command. So this is, you can execute any of the node, but I'm gonna take virtual machine 1. Okay, so you can see that Microk8s add a node, and this is giving some instruction. Suppose if you want to join as a worker node, then you can copy this command, you can paste in virtual machine 2 and 3. So my requirement, I want to create a high availability cluster with minimum 3 master. I'll copy the first command. Copy this, go to virtual machine 2. This is my virtual machine 2. Just paste, enter. Then go to virtual machine 3, paste and enter. Awesome guys, awesome. You can see that virtual machine 2 successfully connected with the virtual machine 1. So if I go to virtual machine 3, this is in progressing. So let's wait for a couple of seconds, and here you can see a successful message. So once this is activated, yeah, it's activated. So now I'll go to my virtual machine 1. So we can execute Microk8s, then kubectl, get nodes. Awesome guys, awesome. You can see this is my virtual machine 1 and this is my virtual machine 2. This is my virtual machine 3. Okay, now this is became as a cluster. Now what we can do, we can deploy Nginx, you can deploy any of the application. Then you can create a ingress, you can create a like node pod, you can create a cluster IP service, whatever you want. Awesome guys, awesome. So thank you so much for watching my video. So please do subscribe to get more videos. Bye.